Loops are essential concepts to any programming language, be it C, C++, C#, Java, JavaScript. All of them have got loops. As the name suggests, loops run the same code repeatedly. So if I want to print a number 5 times in JavaScript, I would type in console.log 1, console.log 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to repeat the same statement 5 times. Now, if I want to make the code dynamic, I can rewrite in just 3 statements. That's where for loop comes in. For is a programming construct. It is a loop, a keyword used across different programming languages. So this is what a for loop looks like. It has got initialization as the first part. Second is the condition. Third is the afterthought. So initialization is the starting point. Whatever you put inside this initialization is executed only once before the loop is processed. Just remember that. Second is the condition. Every time the loop runs, this condition has to be checked. So whatever conditional operator you put, this will be checked here. Lastly, the afterthought. What happens after the loop is executed? And then within the loop, I have got my statement which is processed. I am going to break it down further for you step by step. So I'm going to take the same example. I'm going to print numbers dynamically from 1 to 5. In the initialization, I've got I equals to 1. This is executed only once before the loop starts. Second, the condition is checked. I is 1, I is less than 6, which is true. So it goes inside the loop. And within the loop, I have got console log. So it prints 1. I've got I++, which means I equals to I plus 1. I'm incrementing I. So I becomes 2. Now we go to the second iteration. I equals to 2. I less than 6 is true. So it goes inside. It prints the 2 and it increments I to 3. Likewise, the third iteration, I is now 3. I is less than 6, which is true. It goes inside the loop. It comes out. It increments I becomes 4. Fourth iteration, I is 4, I is less than 6, which is true. It prints the console log, it prints 4, comes out, increments I is 5. My fifth iteration, I is now 5, still less than 6. It goes inside the loop, prints 5, increments I is now 6. Now I is 6. So the condition I less than 6 turns out to be false. And this is where the loop breaks. It will not go inside and it halts. So this is the end of the loop. I hope this has made things clear for you. I have got a whole list of JavaScript videos. If you're learning JavaScript, this is where you start. Do check out. Thanks for watching.